Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning on your Android phone. These features help apps get more accurate location data, even when Wi-Fi or Bluetooth are turned off. But if you're concerned about privacy, or you just want to save battery, it's a good idea to turn them off. Let's get started. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Location. Now tap on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, scanning or location services depending on your device. You'll see an option called Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Just toggle it off. And that's it. You've now disabled both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning on your phone. Keep in mind, some apps might ask you to enable these settings again for better accuracy, but you can always turn them back on later if needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.